Dear students of class 10, we have the measure of central tendency. It is how to find out the second measure of central tendency, that is how to find out the median. Median, as you know, it is the mid value of the frequency, the data given in the distribution table. So how to find this one? There is systematic rule. You have to learn this one. After that, you have to necessarily plot if you require graph. Keep in mind, when it is your ungrouped data, tabulated data, you can find the median by using the formula. However, if it is grouped data or classified data, you will require a graph paper to plot this one. Certain rule for you here. The rule is the median is the middle term of the set of variables when the variables of the set are arranged in ascending or descending order. Here to find out the median of raw data, data is given jumble form. The jumble data, you have to sort the data in ascending order, then find the n value. After that, you can find out the median. So first the data given, data arranged in the ascending or descending order, then find the n value. N is even or odd. Since this question is a simple question, that's why taken here directly 7 is the median. However, if the data is more, then the rule is different. Let us see next slide. So it depends on if n is, first to find out the value of n. If n is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the term. For example, here n is taken 5, you can see. Therefore, 5 plus 1 by 2 will become third term. Third term from this table you can find out, that is 7. You can see the third term from the table, you can refer. This is your 3, 4, 7. Okay. Similarly, if n is, if you take odd, such cases you can find out it will be the middle value of n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 term. That is, the median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term by 2. Okay, keep in mind. So two formula for finding the median if n is odd or n is even. Here is another question for you to understand. The following numbers shown in the descending order, so no need to rearrange this one. You have to find the value of x. However, to some data, 1, 2, 3, 3 data given in terms of unknown are variables. So that is, it is given ascending or descending order: 68, 60, 52, x minus 3, x minus 8, x minus 11, 30, 25, 22 and 20. And the median is given 39. You have to find out the value of x. Okay, so n is, by counting you are finding n, so n is even. Formula is for finding median, n by 2 plus n by 2th term sum by 2. Okay, so first to find out 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term, it becomes 10 by 2 means 5th. Next term is 6th, so 5th plus 6th term by 2, or 1 by 2 bracket 5th plus 6th term. Since 5th term is given there, you can just see it is 5th term is your x minus 8 and 6th term is x minus 11. So right there 1 by 2 into x minus 8 plus x minus 11, 2 is taken multiplied on the other side, therefore it becomes 78 is equal to x minus 8 plus x minus 11. So 2x is equal to 97, x is equal to 48.5. I hope it is clear to you to how to find out the median or for ungrouped data, or this is data which is not in the form of groups. It is simply data in given the open form that we arrange. So the rule is sort the data and then find the n, then find even or odd, then place the formula and get the result. Next is when data in the tabulated form. Tabulated in the sense, here data is given with their frequency. So it becomes a table. Such cases, how to find out the median. See the next slide. Here first the data given, then the frequency. From this find out this is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, it is the sum of the values of the cumulated value of the frequency table given. See, look at how to find out this one. First, as it is 7 is 7. Next, second data is added 5 plus 7 is 12. Then third data will be 12 plus 8 is 20. Fourth data will be 20 plus 12 32, and so on. So finally you can find out 45. The last value, that's supposed to be the n is equal to 45, that is n value. So n here becomes odd. Okay? Okay. Similarly, median, how to find out for group data. For group data, to find the median, okay, you have to, since the group data, as you know, it is under the group in the sense it is under the class intervals, boundaries. Such cases, you cannot find out the value of a median because it is in the form of intervals, class intervals. So for that, you have to, from this you have to draw a cumulative frequency curve, or what we call ogive. If there be, say, n terms, you have to find out n as the value like before from the cumulative frequency table, n value will find out. Find the value of, so for finding median, n by 2th term, n by 2th value will find out, and n plus 1 by 2th term value will find out. Then from this you have to find out your median. See, let us see how to find out. Here is the question. Find the median for the following group data distribution. It is a class interval given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and frequency given 5, 7, 10, 8, 5, etc. Let us see. First we will find out the cumulative frequency. So as you can see this one, f is given 5, 7, 10, 8, 5. From this 5, 12, 22, 30, 35 your cumulative frequency. From this plot the graph. You can take the plot. As you can see, this graph, cumulative frequency taken y-axis, class interval in x-axis. Then plot this, n is given 35, median is equal to, so therefore median will be n plus 1 by 2, or 35 plus 1 by 2, it is 18th term. One minute. Okay. So 18th term. So this shows your median, and the median value probably you can see from the graph, it shows nearly at in between 25 and 30, so probably 26 or 27. So the point you can see, this. The median value is 27. Remember, class interval to which this median belongs, you can also call your median class. Keep in mind, when data given the group data, such cases median will be coming under the median class. So therefore, it is necessary to plot your frequency, cumulative frequency curve to find out the median. Here is another question to find out the median of the group data. The daily wages of 160 workers in the building a project given. Wages in rupees given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and the number of workers 0 to 10, 12, 10 to 20, 20, 20 to 30, 30, 30 to 40, 38, 40 to 50, 24, 50 to 60, 16, 60 to 70, 12, 70 to 80, 8. Use a graph paper to plot ogive, then estimate the median wage of the worker and percentage of worker who can earn rupees 45 per day. Let us see. First of all, we find out the CF value from this is given. Okay, so table taken. From this is CF you can find 12 frequency given 12, 20, 30, 38, 24, 16, 12, 8. of 10, 12, so 32, 62, 100, 124, 140, 152 and 160 will be your cumulative frequency values, and last value, that is n, is 160. So you can plot the graph accordingly by taking your cumulative frequency and the wages. So graph is plotted, you can see this one, you can compare with this value CF and the wages. Okay, so you have the graph, you can find out, you can see this one, and graph shows the median also. Okay, right? Median is equal to n by 2, so 160 is the last value, so 1 by 2, so 160 by 2, that is 80th term. 80th term is 35. Let us see again, 80th term you can see from the values given. 80th term, you can see what this one median is, it is, so you can 35 approximately. The number of workers who can earn up to 40 rupees 45 per day is equal to 112. 45 you can find out. So, wages, the horizontal x-axis, it is shown. So 45 you can see, it is given 45 per day. So 45 against this line is drawn, you can see this one, and reaching to, this is your 112. So the number of workers who earn more than 45 per day is equal to, you can find 160 minus 112. 160 is the total, therefore you subtract 112, so 48. 48, what is the percentage of workers is getting 45 per day? So 48 by total is 160 into 100, so you are getting 30%. Okay, clear? Next question, you have now some question to answer. Estimate the median for the following ogive. You have to plot the ogive and drawing ogive, you have to find out the median. Class interval as shown 0 to 10, 4, 10 to 20, 9, 20 to 30, 15, 30 to 40, 14, 40 to 58. Similarly, another question, draw ogive from the following distribution, weight in kg, number of boys, 10 to 15, 11, 15 to 20, 25, 20 to 25, 12, 25 to 35, 30 to 35, 2. Dear students, if the video just I hope you understood properly. Again, if you see for several times for graphs, compare the tables, try to understand. After that, you go to try to work out and get this clarity of the chapter, of this part, how to plot this, use graph paper, plot and verify. After that, if you have any doubt, you can still give in the comment box. If you like this video, you share and subscribe. Thank you.